My name is Lisa Ng, and I'm in my third year of the Honors Bachelor of Commerce program, pursuing a focus in marketing and information systems. I'm part of the DeGroote Marketing Association. The DeGroote Marketing Association is dedicated to educating, inspiring, and impacting future marketers by offering unique experiential learning opportunities that go beyond the classroom. Through engaging in case competitions, workshops, and various other hands-on events, we empower students to delve into marketing concepts within real-world contexts. It's incredibly important for DeGroote students to engage in experiential learning opportunities and join clubs. These experiences offer invaluable insights that complement classroom education, helping students to develop crucial skills and insights applicable to their future careers. But beyond that, getting involved in clubs is about making connections, finding your passion, and growing personally, all of which are essential for success. So an event that our club members and students should definitely be aware of is our Canadian Tire Corporate Crawl, which happens in March each year. For this event, we take a group of students to the Canadian Tire head office in Toronto for a day of networking, workshops, and hands-on events where students can develop professional connections, show off their skills, and meet potential employers. In the past, our club members have found off their skills and meet such as RBC, Metrolinx, Jan Kelly, and Microsoft, and our club has truly played a role in their journey by equipping them with the technical skills and soft skills to propel them to success in these roles.